Hello, hello. I'm gonna start looking on my porch every Wednesday. I'm liking Wednesdays all of a sudden. So I get home from work today and this package is on my front porch and I know who it's from. So many of you know Paula from HIllbilly Orchids. She's very active. If you are part of the Facebook group for Rogers Orchids, she's very active in there, posts lots and lots of beautiful blooms. But I was talking to her about one of the orchids that she has extra. So she and I were chatting and she sent it to me. So we're gonna open this beauty up here real quick and see what's going on. And she was nice enough to label the top, so I know that this is the top, to be careful. And I am very excited. She has some very beautiful, especially Cattleyas, guys. She is a excellent orchid grower, has lots and lots of knowledge about her stuff, so be very careful here. And I have seen some of the plants that she has sent to other people, and I already know that this is going to rival my Brookside Orchids packaging because she is amazing at packaging as well. So just turn this over here. So I hope everybody was having a great day today, and with summer and a lot of the COVID restrictions being lifted, I'm sure a lot of people are going out and about. Me, COVID really didn't change my life. I don't go very many places. I go to work and I go home. Very rarely do I do anything else. Occasionally I'll go do something with friends. By occasionally I mean like maybe, every couple of months or so. But I really need to get out more and meet more orchid people or plant people in general. So, all right, so there we are, yay. All right, so there's bubble wrap in here. She's in here so nice and snug as a bug. So let's take this paper out. It's Christmas. Oh, I've got a bonus. Uh-oh, bonus. Ah, look at that. I'm not sure what that is. I will get it out here in a little bit. I might have to ask her what in the world. All right, and then she has her tape to the side. So Brookside Orchids must have gotten some hints from Miss Paula. All right, let's see. Let's pull her out nice and gently. All right, and she's still in a pot. Look at how pretty she is. Oh my goodness. So, just move that. There we go. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Cattleya Greek Wax Silk Ball. Beautiful, beautiful red waxy flowers. And it's got her writing on there from where she was tagging it. Oh my gosh. You guys have no idea how much Miss Paula means to a lot of us. Very, very special lady. Very special lady. Let's see what we got inside under all the goodies here. Painter's tape. I love it because I hate cellophane tape on the orchids themselves, and this is the painter's tape. Oh my goodness, looks like we have some roots a-showing. Good. Oh yes, look at that, guys. Pot full of roots still. Amazing. I know that this is a division off one of hers that has already bloomed, or maybe it was just a second plant inside of it, but I know she has gotten hers to bloom, and that's how I know it's a beautiful red waxy. Oh my gosh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And for those of you who did not see my Brookside Orchids unboxing of my novelty phals, I will post that in the description and add a tag up top. But just a quick update, they are doing rather well so far. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Professional orchid packer is she. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those beautiful roots. And she's got this new growth here that she's working on, and this one here. Let's see if we see anything in here. Not yet, but that's okay. We will acclimate her, get her all settled in. I have a spot on the Cattleya shelf, as I call it. Matter of fact, let me see if I can turn it without making too much of a mess, but she is going to go right over there on that shelf with the rest of the Cattleyas. And we will watch her progress and see, and hopefully I can get her to bloom as well. And I already have a little decorative pot for her to get settled in my home. I'm just going to set her in there real quick, and then we will get her over to the light. And Miss Paula did say she likes a lot of bright light, so I will make sure to get her as close to the grow light as possible. And she does not need to be watered, so I will leave that alone for now. And we'll keep an eye on her, and we'll do regular updates and watch her progression. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you are having a wonderful day, and we will see you on the next one.